Hyundai introduced on all of their automobiles. You've got the very sporty alloy wheels. Listen, we've got many different packages, colors to choose from. Don't worry, we've got what you're looking for. Now on the steering wheel, for safety and convenience, you've got your radio control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. The buttons here actually toggle through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. Now this particular package has the backup camera, navigation, CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radio. It's free for 90 days. Auxiliary, USB, it gives you every avenue to listen to your music. There are so many amenities that come on this car. We'll go over that whenever you and I meet, funnel down and get a better idea of what you're looking for. The most important thing though about any new Hyundai here at Tameron, and only Tameron, is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.